So in this video, we're going to learn about that merge function, how merge function work in pandas. So now first I imported pandas, and now after that I created one data frame df1. So it's going to be with key and A and B as column, 3 columns. Similarly, I created data frame, second data frame with key and C and D, 3 columns. So now if we put that pd dot merge df1 and df2 on key, on keyword, on which column we're going to merge. So I put that on key. So if we can see here that df1 and df2, so if we have k0, so there will be one row corresponding to k0 with this one. There's again one more k0 with a1 b1, but here k0 c0 d0 will be again joined with this as well. Then k1, we have that k1 with c1 d1, again with a2 b2, again c2 d2 will be a2 b2, and k2 with c3 d3. So we can see here now with 0, we have 2 here in first row, so we got that 2 and a0 b0 c0 d0, and similarly since a1 b1 also matching to c0 d0, so we got one more row. Then for k1 a2 b2, so a2 b2, and here c1 d1, and again for the same one we have c2 and d2, so a2 b2 and c2 and d2, and for k2 a3 b3 c3 and d3. So this merge is now how it's working. I hope you understand how it's joining this both the column. So now I created one more data frame with adding one more extra column and making key 1 and key 2 columns, and then A and B. And similarly, I created data frame 2 also with 2 columns. So first we'll try to understand if I merge on column key 1. So similarly, how we did in that previous one, it's going to work. So here K0, we have here also we have K0. This K0 will also work with first one. So in this one, we need to just remember one thing, since we have same name in both the data frame 1 and 2. So by default, it's giving one of them as X for 1, and for 2, it's given that suffix as Y. So it will provide by default some suffix so that we can know it's both are from different data frame. So we can see for K0 again, we have 0A0, B0, and C0, D0, and same A1, B1, but since here only one row, so this row also matching, so it displaying C0, D0, and similarly displaying for all those values. So now this one we need to understand clearly. Now I wanted to join on 2 column where Q1 and Q2 both. So if we go back a little bit up, so we can see in Q1 and Q2 we have 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So one row is matching. Now 1 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 and 0. So due to this first index, we have 2 will match, then K2 and K1, this one will match. So we got now here all those K0, K0, K1, K1, K0, K1, K0 again, and K2, K1. So similarly, it's checking, sorry, my bad. So here K0, K0, K1. So as we go here again, we'll see that, yeah. So K0, K0 here, and K0, K0 here. So one row it's came. Now K0, K1 we don't have in that second one, so this row will be not be considered. Now K1 and K0 is there, so K1 and K0 here, and K1 and K0 here as well. So we got 2 rows now, and one already 3, and now K2, K1, K2, K1 is not there, so that will also not come in our based on key 1 and 2. That's why we are getting 3 rows, K1, K02, and K0, K01. So now merge is also going to work like join. So we can use how. So here by default, it's working on inner join if we're not providing how and providing only on column name. So here now I provided how, so left. So left is df1. So df1, how many columns are there? All will come and corresponding NaN will come for them. So we can see previously K0, K1 was not there. So now it's came, and for the data frame 2, it's displaying NaN. And similarly for K2 and K1, it's displaying NaN for data frame 2. If similarly, if we do for right join, so we can see that now data frame 1 K1 and A and B column have none, and now rest all have that value. So one column was missing from data frame 2. So this one, so it's got added if you put that right. If you put that outer join, then it's going to display all those column, left, right, both, as we know how outer join it's work. So it's displaying here right side data frame 1 column, then data frame 2 is blank, and for data frame 2 column, data frame 1 is NaN by default. And if we can specify by inner, by writing that inner, or by default it will be inner. So we can see here 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2, these 3 rows are there. So we can either we can specify, or without a specify also, by default it's going to work as inner join. So I hope you understand that how merge function is working, and merge function is also work like a join. So we can, if we understand merge, we can do both the function here. So that's all for this one. I hope you are clear with this. Thank you.